For ways of transportation, we can arrange sea transportation, land transportation, air transportation, and international express. We can provide professional package, which is safe for exporting and long-distance transportation to other countries. Generally, we use paper box and bubble film to pack our products. Paper box and bubble film can well protect our products from being damaged during the transportation. The sizes and designs of cartons can also be customized according to your specific requests. You can be reassured that your goods can be timely delivered to your address in good condition. For more information, please follow us. Thank you.